Hello everybody and welcome to English Grammar with Ameya sir. And it is revision time. The topic for today is articles. In English you have three articles, a, and, the, of which a and an are indefinite articles to specify one of the many things, and article the is a definite article meaning specific name, place, animal, thing, a specific noun. I repeat, a and the are the three articles, a and the, of which a and an are indefinite articles and the is a definite article. With that knowledge, let's dive straight into the topic. We'll understand it a little more in depth. Let's talk about the vowel sound. The vowel sound is an important thing to understand because normally students think that just the starting letter is enough to assess whether it's a vowel sound or not. Well, not quite. We're not talking about vowels alone. We are talking about the vowel sound. That's interesting. A, E, I, O, U are vowels, but the vowel sound is the sound. So remember that sometimes, let's consider the example of letter H. We'll talk about it in detail. The letter is H, but it can make a vowel sound. The letter is E, that's actually a vowel, but it can make the U sound, which is then not a vowel sound. And that is how you have to deal with the articles. So if you have a vowel sound, then you use an. Don't just consider the starting letter. Do not fall for that trap. And so the point I was talking about, the letter H epitome, the example, well, the vowel sound is the sound. Consider these words, okay? Our, honest, air. Well, the last word is air. I repeat, the last word is air, H-E-I-R, air. So someone who will inherit the property upon somebody's death, heir, legal heir to the property or something like that. Now here the letter is H, but because it's the sound, it is a vowel sound, although H is not in the list of vowels. Therefore here we must use an hour, an honest man, an heir to their property or something like that. Consider the next. It's a consonant sound. Again, the letter will remain H, but this time it's the H sound. That's why I have used the Devanagari script there. Consider the examples that have popped up on your screen. Hungry man, horse, hat. Now here the letter, again, the starting letter is H. Although this time it's not a vowel sound, and therefore we will use a hungry man, a horse, a hat. Before we go further and attempt the exercise, a little more about that indefinite and definite thing. A and an are used for indefinite things and the for definite things. Example, let's say you want to write down, you want to jot something down. So if you are okay with any pen, then you would say, give me a pen to write. You will say, give me a pen to write. You are okay with any pen. The objective is to jot it down. Any pen will do. But let's say if you have a specific pen that you want to be given, then you will say, hey, give me the pen. Give me the pen. Because then you're talking about a specific pen. So now I hope things are clear. A and an for indefinite, one of the many. The for something that is specific. Very important. And now let's dive straight into the exercise. What's the exercise for you here? Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. A and the are your choices. Remember everything that we have learned thus far. And let me make it full screen. All right. It is at this point that you can pause the video and only resume when you are done with your attempt. Be honest about it, guys. Okay, I hope that you had paused the video and you honestly did what was required. Time to check the answers, and here are the answers. Let's go through them one by one and understand why you have those options there. Oysters take in a grain of sand, and where they open up with a pearl. So we are talking about one in many pearls. So a pearl is not a specific pearl or some specific grain that you're talking about. He took me to the room which had the gramophone in it. There is now, normally this is an assumption that you don't have 3 or 4 gramophones in the house. So it's the room, that specific room, that has the gramophone in there. Third one, Anil gave me a key to the door. Now this is interesting. Anil gave me a key because there could be 2 or 3 keys that open up a latch or a lock. So one of them is a key, but definitely the door, because the door is specific. Although in the bunch you may have 3 or 4 set of those keys. I had the whole month before me and not a penny in my pocket. So self-explanatory. Now fifth one is interesting. She is an MBA. Remember, we talked about the vowel sound and not just the starting letter. When you say MBA, the letter is M, but you make the vowel sound AMBA. That's why, although the letter is M, you say she is an MBA. Similarly, he is an MA. She is an MA, not a MA. Because M makes the vowel sound, although M again, like H, is not in the list of vowels. You're enjoying this, aren't you? Well, just remember these things. Next one, the next one is also an interesting example. We talked about it in the intro. We were on a Europe tour last month. We were on a Europe tour. The starting letter is E, which is in the list of vowels. But here it's not the a sound, it's the U sound. So it does not make the vowel sound, although the starting letter is E. Remember that? Europe. So we were on a Europe tour last month. The audience gave the artists, we are talking about specific artists, a standing ovation. For the entire evening, the 102-year-old Swamiji stood on his feet without any support. Quite massive there, quite amazing fitness. Both science and spirituality seek Almighty's blessings for the prosperity of the human mind and body. That was easy. Last but not the least, we live in an age of rapid globalization. Age, vowel sound, not just because the starting letter was A. An age of rapid globalization. All right, I hope that you did well. Did you score 100%? Let me know. And it's good that you're getting a daily dose of grammar. It's very good to revise. That just helps concretize things, is it not? Well, hopefully you got them all right. Please leave your score in the comments. Let me know if you want to say something on the email. We will meet again soon. Do take care.